simple living, and I'm out in my garden. And back in January I planted the potatoes, so I'm out here and I'm going to show you how I'm going to harvest them. So stick around. Okay, so you can see, I'm going to zoom in here, pretty much they look like they're dead. Well, that's how you know that they're ready to harvest. So basically I've picked a couple of plants here already, so I'm getting quite a bit like for today. So I don't know, I might be making mashed potatoes or I might just pan fry them up, but they look pretty good and they're different sizes, so I like these and they're easy to work with. So these are going to be great. Okay, so that's a little better. It was a little sunny out there, so I thought I'd come up under here under the barn, but I just wanted to show you all the potatoes. So I do have different sizes, and like I talked about out there, they just make for better. Like these probably could have went a little longer, but they'll still be great. I'll be able to boil them and get them in.